Alright, let me get it so you can see the screen again. There we go. Alright, let's talk about your next program. Okay, your next program. I called it Chapter 13. It's not really out of the book, but it's using the functionality we just played with. Okay? Alright. What it needs to do is create a turtle. We've done that 3 times now. Now, anyone ever played Snake before? This is how can I say, the manual version of a partially functional Snake game. Okay? It only does a part of it. Okay? It says, set the colors of your choice. Scroll balls are fine, which you'll see in a minute. Want the left arrow to turn left, the up arrow to go up. Those are the only keys you need to worry about. Okay? Define the methods shown below. Also create a second turtle to draw the arena. Can you have 2 turtles on the same screen?
Yes.
Can? Imagine that. Okay. Pass the size of 200 to the draw arena method. Draw arena just draws the arena, which I'll show you in a second. Okay. Left just turns left. Forward is the one that has the functionality to it. Move forward 25 times each time I press the button. If you reach the arena, you need to say that you're dead. Okay? But you need to say you're dead in the middle. And you can't draw a line going there. Then print dead in the Python shell as well. Then use exit on click to exit. Here's what it's going to look like. You see I got 2 different turtles there. So that's our Snake arena. We're going to play the game inside the arena. After hitting the edge, it says dead in the center. Also says dead in the Python shell. After hitting another border after cruising around, it says dead as well. Okay? You notice it did not zoom up here and then print dead. It just said dead in the center. Okay, same should happen for each border. Now this is, I don't want you guys to freak out, but it is acceptable if your snake goes over the border by 1 click, by a small amount, because it's not quite as precise. And I'm going to show you an example of that. All right, let's look at our program here.
It's like the video game Tron.
Kind of, yes. All right, so here's my program. It comes up. It drew a border. You notice how the border was there instantly. It didn't go out there and draw it. So snake 1, or whatever, one of the snakes drew the border, the other snake I'm going to drive him. So I'm going to hit forward, I'm going to hit left, 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 left. I can keep going. Now if I hit the edge, I'm dead. See that? Let me run him again. If I go straight, you'll notice sometimes it works perfectly, but it's not quite precise and it's going by pixels. So don't worry about if it says you're dead as soon as you hit the edge or if it goes over a little. That I'm fine with either way. Okay, now if I was to take a left and go up and left and go over, you notice how it's going right to center saying dead. Okay? Every bit of functionality you need was covered today. Now I was going to write it where if you didn't move it, it automatically moved on its own, but I removed that part because it makes it easier on you guys. Okay? So everybody understand what the program needs to do. You need to say you're dead in the middle, right? Like he is right here, and also dead on the screen over there. No matter which edge you hit, you need to die. So if let's see, dead. Now, there's a slight flaw in the design, which I'm fine with. If you want to fix it, that's fine, but you don't have to. The flaw is you can still keep moving. And you can die yet again, maybe. Okay, you see how we keep adding up more deads at the bottom? So if you want to fix that, you can, but you don't have to. I'm trying to make so it's not that overly difficult for you. Once he's dead, he's fine, but yeah, because you can actually quit the window, but I wanted to be able to see that he died on the window. All right, is everybody okay with the program? All you're doing is taking those two things we did and combine them together. No questions. Everybody thoroughly understands this. All right, now let's talk about the due date. It's due on Monday at class time.
This month?
Yes. Okay? It's due on Monday at class time. Now, this Wednesday we have no class. Y'all realize that school's closed. Next Monday is when it's due. Next Monday, I'm going to give you a review for the exam. Next Wednesday, I'll be around if you have questions. But then your test, you can either take it next Wednesday or the following week. Either one. Okay? Sound like a plan? Okay. So any questions on this last program? All right, I'm going to stop the recording then.
Is the test going to be online again?